Are you being sued by LVNV Funding? You're not alone. This debt buyer files thousands of lawsuits across the country every year, hoping you don't know your rights. But today, I'll explain who they really are, their connection to Resurgent Capital Services, and how you can fight back even without a lawyer using Summons Master. Now, before I get started, I'm here in my office, and it's Monday morning, and I have a stack of garnishment checks that my accounting department had me sign, a stack of them. And inside of these envelopes, there were multiple checks from different employees. Now, these are not employees from Summons Master or the credit repair shop. I happen to own another company, and these individuals, I do not get into their personal business. Now, maybe if they see me on YouTube, they may reach out and ask some questions. I do tell the staff at that office to give them information if they are getting garnished, but it's up to them to be proactive to seek out help. I don't want to, make it look like we're letting one company get into their personal business. LVNV Funding is a debt buyer. They don't issue credit cards or loans. Instead, they purchase old, charged off debts from banks and lenders for pennies on a dollar. Once they buy the debt, their business model is simple. Sue consumers to collect the full amount plus fees and interest. Most people don't even recognize the name LVNV Funding because they've never borrowed money directly from them. That confusion often works in LVNV Funding's favor. Here's where it gets interesting. LVNV Funding is part of a bigger web. Their parent company is Resurgent Capital Services, a massive debt collection management firm. Resurgent handles the actual collection processes, send letters, making calls, and hiring firms nationwide to file lawsuits on LVNV Funding's behalf. This connection matters because many times the paper trail is sloppy, debt passes through multiple companies, and the records often have gaps, errors, or missing assignments. That's exactly where you can fight back. Debt buyers like LVNV Funding rely on volume lawsuits. They know that most people ignore the summons, which leads to a default judgment, or don't understand how to respond. If you don't respond, they automatically win, freezing your bank account, garnishing wages, and putting liens on your personal property. Here's the good news. You don't need a lawyer to fight back. You need the right tools. Summons Master is a step-by-step system that walks you through how to respond to debt collector lawsuits, such as the ones from LVNV Funding. With Summons Master, you'll get a fully formatted response to every allegation and a defense to potentially help you win your case, preventing a default judgment. When you do that, you initiate your rights instead of giving up your right. Remember, LVNV Funding is betting on you not wanting to fight back. But if you respond using Summons Master AI, you'll put pressure back on them, and many times they'll dismiss the case before your hearing date. With Summons Master, we are here before, during, and after throughout your whole entire case process. If you are being sued by a debt collector or even an original creditor, you need to reserve your rights. You have to respond or you'll get a default judgment. Go to summonsmaster.com so you can get a fully formatted response to every allegation and a defense to potentially win your case. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. YOUR3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all three scores. The links are below this video. I would like to thank you for your time. And remember, you reserve the right to fight back. Don't let them take charge. Fight back with summonsmaster.com. Thank you for your time.